Hi, kindergarten friends. Hi, we're going to do another shape this week. And what is the shape? You are right if you said rectangle. Okay, good job. So I don't have a book to go with rectangle. I had a square book and a circle book and a triangle, but I don't have a rectangle. But we're going to take some time because this is a harder poem. I'm going to show you. We know it starts with a R. This is a long word, isn't it? Rectangle. Okay, and on the other side of it, I have my poem. Look how long it is, right? So we named this rectangle Ricky Rectangle. So you can say, hello, Ricky Rectangle. Okay, and this is how the poem goes. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are short, two are long. Count my sides, come right along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold me this way, I look like a door. Hold me this way, I'm a window in a store. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that's a long poem, and if you don't remember all of it, it's okay. Let's just do the first part, okay? Ricky Rectangle is my name. You guys do it. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. My four sides are not the same. Two are short, your turn. Two are short, two are long, two are long. Count my sides, come right along. Count my sides, come right along. Then we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you hold it this direction, up and down. That's called vertical. Held this way, I look like a door. Held this way, I'm a window in a store. And then we count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't remember the whole thing, it's okay. But I think we remember enough to just know that rectangle has four sides, but it's different than a square because we have two short sides and two long sides. If you hold it horizontally across like this, it looks like a big window, doesn't it? A big picture window, maybe like the window in your living room. But when you hold it this way, it looks like a door. We just would have to put the handle on it. Maybe it would have a window, or maybe a refrigerator is kind of that shape, right? So what I want to do is just hold up. Remember we did square a few weeks ago? Okay, so square has four sides too, right? Four sides and four corners. And a rectangle has four sides and four corners. So how can you tell them apart? Listen to the words in the poem. The square, Sandy Square, is my name. My four sides are all the same. They're all equal. If we took a ruler, we would measure it and they would be the same. I'm just guessing, let's just say 7 inches. 7, 7, 7, 7. Might be 6. Okay, but this one, if we measured it, this might be 4 inches, but this looks really long. I'm saying maybe 10 inches, 10 inches, 4 or 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches, excuse me. Okay, so we've got 2 short sides and 2 long sides. That's how you tell the difference between a square and a rectangle. Okay, awesome. So that is all for now. And then I want you to get out your orange folder. That's where we have our shape packet. And we're going to do this page. And guess what? This is our last shape. So, before that, if you want to get out your all those shapes that we sent home for you guys, we were so lucky to have these in the classroom. I'm so glad we gave you all these. If you want to find all your rectangles, and then it's really easy. You could, if you were sorting these, you go, okay, these tall ones are rectangles. And then this, if it's the same on all the sides, that's a square, right? So you might want to sort. I'll probably find some sorting activities between rectangles and squares, maybe on Seesaw, because that's a good place for me to find things. All right, so you could sort those. And then you're going to turn, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we are, page 7. We're almost done with this packet. Now, I know that those are not the only 4 shapes. There's a lot of other shapes. A heart is a shape, a star is a shape, a hexagon is a shape, an octagon is a shape, an oval is a shape. But we just concentrate on the 4 shapes for now, okay? That's what we have to test on, and those are the ones, once we do the regular shapes, we go to solid shapes, and then the other ones we kind of throw in there for fun, right? Okay, so we're gonna do this page. I'm gonna try not to take too long because this is our 4th one. So a lot of you guys are going, Mrs. Jenkins, we know what to do, right? Okay, I still like to go over directions. So we've got our rectangle page. I will put my name on top because it has a line for it. I'm just going to write Mrs. J. And then we're going to trace over the word rectangle. The word rectangle is so long. Oh my goodness, let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. Okay, one of the students in Mrs. Mycroft's class, her name was Elizabeth. She had 9 letters in her name. But I don't think anyone in our class has 9 letters. I think the most we had was 8. Okay, while I was talking to you, I was also tracing this. Okay, now it says trace the rectangles. This is not a rectangle. Well, this is a parallelogram. Yeah, it has the 4 sides and the 4 corners. You know what? I don't think they consider that a rectangle. I'm going to X it out just because the sides are not straight, right? They're slanted. I'm pretty sure that's a parallelogram. Okay, thank you. And then this one definitely is a rectangle, so I'm going to trace it. It has a straight on the top, and then we have a corner. We have straight on the bottom. Okay, I think we have to have 90-degree angles here. All right, straight on the sides. Very good. So I have 2 rectangles, and then this is not. This is called a trapezoid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but see how the sides go out, kind of like a triangle? So I'm going to X this one out. And then it says draw a rectangle. So I'm going to make one. I think I'm only going to make 2. I'm going to make one that looks like a door. So the sides are very long, and the top and the bottom are short. And then I'm going to make one that looks like a window. Usually I tell you to make 3, but I think we'll just make 2. Because then we can have one going up and down like this, that's vertical, and one going across, that's horizontal. Okay, and then of course you can color that. I will color mine later, okay? And then here's our little pumpkin, but it's not a round pumpkin, is it? It's a rectangle pumpkin. He's kind of cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, remember parents, you can always put a star, a happy face, or a stamp, or a sticker. That kind of motivates the kids to want to do a nice job. And you can do what we do in class. Hey, we have a sticker if you do a nice, neat job. But if you do scribble scrabble, then no, you don't get the sticker, right? All right, and then we're gonna go on to this one. Okay, it says write the name of the shape. So parents, if that's too hard for your kids and you wanna highlight it, you can. We have a lot of kids with great fine motor skills. I'm very impressed with their writing. So I think they can handle this big long word, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. It says write the name of the shape. It says how many corners, and it also says up here to circle the corners. So I'm going to count them and circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since 4 is our number this week, you know how to make it. Halfway down, then turn right, a straight line through, and a 4 is in sight. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go the same thing. We've got 4 sides, 4 corners. Trace the shape. We're going to trace it. And then this one here, they have 2 sides, and we have to finish it. So we want the top to match the bottom, and we want the left side to match the right side. So again, we've got a horizontal, looks like a window. We've got a vertical that looks like a door. And then over here, you can draw a rectangle. So you can connect the dots. So I'm going to make a really long one on the top. I'm going to make the sides short. So I think I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the top and the bottom, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, that's going to be long. So it's much, much longer here. If you want to put it the other way, you can. And then that's all. And then if you want to go color this, again, I think coloring is optional on something like this because the important part was drawing all the rectangles. The directions do not say to color, so it's up to you. Some kids just love coloring, and they like working all day long, and they might want to do that for extra. And some kids might be struggling just to get the regular work done, so color can be optional on that activity, okay? Okay, that's okay. And then later on in the week, we're going to make a Ricky rectangle necklace. Bye.